Hi, this is David, technical trainer at Robotiq. In this video, I will show you the best and quickest way to do a multi-pick application using the Smart Infeed. First, make sure that you have the latest UR cap installed, as the features I'm about to cover are available on Copilot 3.38 and up. Also, note that this method is only valid for a Robotiq Smart Infeed conveyor in combination with a PowerPick multi-gripper. Both are available with PAL ready or as optional equipment on a PE20. Make sure the TCP and payload are set up properly and that they represent your PowerPick multi-gripper configuration. Then, you want to make sure that the Smart Infeed is installed and configured. You can do this from the installation, UR caps, Copilot, configure, then add or edit conveyor. The wizard will ask you to put a box at the pick position, enter its dimensions, and teach the pick pause. This will register the conveyor position and is the only waypoint you will need to teach, ever, even with new recipes further down the road. The second step is to make sure that the right gripper type is selected. To take full advantage of this feature and of the gripper geometry, select PowerPick Multi under the gripper model and make sure you also specify whether you are using the most common double bellow suction cups or the optional high payload single bellow cups. Now, in the program, when the box is selected, you can select the conveyor from which it will be picked. Enter the dimensions and payload of the box and press Move here to verify that the pick position is automatically calculated and that it is accurate. Then hit Max Boxes per Grip and enter 2. You will notice that 2 box group configurations now show up. You have single box and 2 boxes. Try the Move Here button again for the group of 2 boxes. The robot will move the gripper to the center of the box group. One really helpful feature of the Smart Infeed is its array of sensors. Based on the box dimensions, it will automatically know which ones to watch for single and multi-pick, and you don't have any input to declare. You can pick as many boxes as you need, as long as they can be seen by the sensors. So, for picking 2 boxes, for example, they should not be longer than 400 millimeters, or 15.5 inches. For 3 or more boxes, we're looking at a max length of 240 millimeters, or 9.5 inches. The pneumatic gate will also get the max number of boxes from the program, so it will always let that number of boxes get onto the conveyor at a time. During production, you will notice that the robot calculates a slightly different pick position from what was generated in the box menu. This is totally normal and is meant to improve trajectory efficiency, reach, and number of cups in contact with the box. It will manage overhang so that the gripper does not pick more than the expected number of boxes. You can turn off this feature and manage offsets by yourself by changing the grip configuration to Custom in the box group menu. Check out this other video to learn more on this behavior and how to manage suction zones if required. Compared to older software versions that you might have seen or used before, the software now manages box groups and an actual group of 2 boxes. You will see that in the pattern menu, where you can actually select a group of 2 from the drop-down list. The palette viewer also accounts for it. Finally, for more advanced programming, here are a few variables that can be obtained by using scripts. Get number of box groups done. This will return the number of process groups on the current palette. Get number of boxes in group will return the number of boxes in the current box group that is currently being handled. Get box group payload will return the payload of the current box group. This is by far the fastest and easiest way to define a multi-pick application. It should only take a few minutes to set up completely.